gotta tie my shoes for this. This is Deja Entertainment exclusive.
Yeah, you gotta start out low.
It's Deja with a J, baby. They shooting. I made you look.
You a slave to a page in my rhyme book. Yeah.
Yeah, you know
You
why.
got the pedestrians. You got the
I
pedestrians.
can feel myself throwing up after this.
I'm why baby Travis Kirk.
Musky pizza, Rita, Rita, ha, Lita, Lita. Ready, set?
Guys, don't be mean. Hi.
There you guys go. Ready? 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 Can we get ready, please? Let's go, man. Let's go. All right.
Get my stance.
Ready? Set. Go! Let's go faster! 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 Sir! Sir!
That's like 4 seconds, dude.
Oh shit. Oh man.
I think I need a round 2, dude. I felt too fast.
Do it again?
I felt too fast.
Oh shit.
Dude.
Hey, you gotta go full speed first.
Yo, I want to go full speed. I want to punch Marquet in the face. I fell.
Sir, my legs get smooth.
Dude, let me get a bet. Let me start back here. I want to punch Marquet in the face.
No, you didn't. You wasn't that close, bro.
In my eyes, I was close. So I was
You
like,
ready?
dude.
I gotta get my breath back.
Ready? Set.
Oh! Oh, no, I'm going kind of slow.
Oh, I'm done. Tin can. Tin can. It's over. It's over. Oh shit.
That just make your stomach hurt, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. You ready?
Go.
I'm trying to pick up speed, so I'm going fast.
Oh, that's the move.
Oh!
That's gonna make my heart beat fast, huh?
Overtime. Game 4. This is game 7, overtime game.
So I can't do it.
That was the buzzer beater since the overtime.
I'm done. Hey, you got a piece of grass in you.
I'm a warrior. Warriors still have
Ready?
Nah, so y'all done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Ready? Don't bitch out me, man.
Brandon, you gonna do it again, son?
Come on.
You gonna
Brandon's not a quitter.
Dude, I'm still like, still dazed, dude.
So you need to get out of the blast or something.
I'm trying to stay in place as long as I can.
I tried, dude.
It don't work.
Alright, son,
It
let's
don't
go.
work.
This is the last time, I swear to God.
It's overtime, son. Unless we go double overtime.
Son, no, this is the last time, I swear.
Son, double overtime can happen. You never
What
know.
you mean double? No, I swear this is the last time I quit. Because I'm gonna spit up all over you.
That shows you want it.
I don't want it.
You want it. Double OT. Woo!
Oh, man. Oh, my stomach's killing me right now.
Son, what? Especially after that musty pizza, son.
Pizza sucked. But
That pizza
it
was
smells like a pine cone.
I'm gonna be itching.
Oh well,
Oh, no, you are.
Should I stop? Should I back up? Referee, I'm straight. I'm good. Check. I'm done. Double KO.
I'm done. Think about how retarded he must have just looked.
Like, Tippy walked past him. I'm glad you got the camera on the floor though.